All right, here we're on section 10.5 on more radical functions. So our objectives are recognizing root functions and their properties, recognizing power functions and their properties, and then modeling with power functions. So an example, if possible, evaluate f to the sixth, or f of 6, f of 3, and f of minus 2 for f of x equals the square root of 4x plus 1. So all they're wanting us to do is plug in 6, 3, and minus 2 for x in this equation. Okay, so the first one, f of 6. So we plug in 6, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25, square root of 25 is 5. Not a problem. What about 3? Well, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so square root of 13. Now, it didn't say use to so many decimal places, so we're going to leave it as the most precise answer, which is the square root of 13. Now, negative 2. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Plus 1 is negative 7. And guess what? We can't take the square root of that, and so it's not a real number, and so we're done. We just say it's not a real number, and we're good. Now, once we get to a later part of this chapter, guess what? We will have an answer to this. All right, so now we're going to plug in f of 1 and f of negative 4 into this one. So plugging in 1, we get 1 squared has 1, plus 7 is 8, cubed root of 8, well, that's going to be 2 because 2 cubed is 8, and so we have answer is 2. About a negative 4. Well, negative 4, the whole thing squared is 16, plus our 7 is going to be 23. And again, they don't want us to evaluate to a specific decimal, so we'll leave it as an exact answer of the cubed root of 23. All right, let's stop there and come back for some more.